Hi, my name is Rich Glady. I head up the Lubricants division for VP Racing Fuels. I've been in the lubricant business for 38 years. In my prior career, I started out with Kendall Oil Company and also was vice president of American Refining Group and created the Penn Grade 1 green oil line. Since joining VP approximately 4 years ago, I worked with a leading additive chemical company that supplies additives, and we created a new line of racing oils, and one of those oils is our VP break-in engine oil. This is a conventional oil. There's no synthetic in it. We put in approximately 840 parts per million zinc, 1,235 parts per million phosphorus, plus additional anti-wear chemistries in this oil. It has a very stout polymer, so it won't break down and shear when it goes through its break-in process. And this oil, we have a number of major engine builders running this oil, breaking their engine in with tremendous success.